kabar sayangs? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a summer makeup look that I've been experimenting lately. It's simple and easy, and if you're interested in how to do it, keep on watching. First, I'm applying the Blossom Picnic Glow On Hydra Base from ETUDE House. This is to prep my skin and make sure that my face remains hydrated and my makeup will last longer. Then, to conceal my pores and to smoothen my skin, I'm gonna use this Perfect Magic Face Starter from April Skin, which I have been loving since I got it. The trick is to really rub the product into the skin so that it will smoothen out any pores or textures on the skin. Since it's summer, I'm gonna use this long wear foundation from La Mer so that it could withstand the heat. Here, I'm just spreading the product evenly across my face and using this damp sponge that I got from Aritom in Korea. I'm just gently pressing the product into my skin. These days, I've been using sponges more than brushes just because it is faster and I like the natural medium coverage look. So let me know in the comment section down below if you're a sponge or a brush user. Next, I am moving on to contouring, and this time I'll be using this multi-stick contour from the Face Shop, and I'm going to apply it right below my cheekbones for that chiseled look, and then using a sponge again, I'm blending it out. The important thing is to blend out the edges so there's no harsh lines, and then I'm just repeating the steps on my jawline for a more defined jawline and also on my temples for a smaller face effect. And to conceal, I'm using my current favorite Etude House's Big Cover Concealer Skin Fit Pro. And to target my discoloration, dark eye rings, and redness, I'm using a small concealer brush to cover them up more effectively. This also prevents the concealer from creasing and crack. Now for the brows. I'm gonna use the wax from my brow ZINGS and mix it with this reddish brick eyeshadow color called Trois from ColourPop. And ever since I got my hair dyed, I had to experiment and mix around different products to match my hair. And using a brow brush, I'm just filling them in carefully according to the direction of my natural brows. Then I just coat the hairs with my favorite 3D brow tones from Benefit. Then I use Urban Decay's lid primer to prep my eyelids just to make sure my eyeshadow lasts longer through the summer heat. After that, I'm just picking this orange matte color from Etude House's Peach Farm palette, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lids and slowly blending it above my crease to create a gradient look. And then I also bring it to the bottom lashes as well. To make the eyeshadow pop, I'm gonna use Makeup Forever's Lustrous eyeshadow palette, and here I'm picking the shade ME728 and applying it on the center of my lids and also the inner parts of my bottom lashes. Then for a longer lasting wear, I'm using this waterproof pencil liner from Bobbi Brown and just tight lining my upper lids and also creating a thin line as close as I can to my lashes with a small flick at the end. Then using this shade from the Peach Farm palette, I'm gonna smudge it out for a more natural look. After curling my lashes with my favorite Shu Uemura eyelash curler, I'm just gonna use the Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara, which is waterproof, to make sure that my mascara doesn't smudge throughout the day. To give my eyes a bit of a drama, I'm gonna apply these natural looking lashes that I got in a pack of 10 and just pop it on as close as I can above my lash line. Then I'm just giving it one more squeeze to blend both my natural lash and the falsies together. After that, using the same shade from the Peach Farm palette that I used to blend my eyeliner, I'm just gonna bring it down to my lower lash line to add more depth. For that glowy and dewy summer look, I'm using Santorini from the Huda Beauty palette and applying it on the highest points of my face, such as my nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow, and also chin. To make my cheeks pop even more, I'm using the shade OC from the Urban Decay and GWEN Stefani collaboration palette. I absolutely love the subtle sun-kissed effect that it gives on my skin. Lastly, I'm going to use Etude House's Matte Chic Lip Locker in the shade OR202, which is also known as Joy Grapefruit, and just apply it on the inner parts of my lips. Then, using a Q-tip, I'm just blending it out for a Korean gradient lip effect. And we are done! You guys enjoyed my take on a summer makeup look, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye sayangs!